Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix error code 0xc00007b. Okay, or in other words, the application was unable to start correctly. So first way to fix this is just by going to your search bar and type down Windows features. Okay, this one. Click on turn on Windows features on or off. Click on it and then just make sure in here that both or all of .NET frameworks are enabled. Okay, if .NET frameworks right here doesn't have blue ticks, I'll just go ahead and enable it, just like so, and click on OK. And then just wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up your favorite browser, as we are going to download and find DirectX. Okay, hit on enter. Now click on DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer from Microsoft itself. Scroll down a bit and just click on download. Wait for a download page to pop up and save it wherever you want. Save. Once the download process is done, click on the installer and just wait for it to open. In the meantime, you can go ahead and close the browser if you want to, just like so. Close it. And then in here, click on I accept the agreement. Next. Untick this bloatware. Next. And just wait for it. And after that, just click on finish right here. And then go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is how you fix this error code. The application was unable to start correctly. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.